in the interest of making the occasional short video and trying to keep some of these cars that we've gotten running still running, I thought we might try to fire up the straight 8 Packard today. Some of you might remember this really poor example of 1953 Packard from our straight 8 Showdown some years ago, and I don't think I've really started it since. So let's see if there's anything left of the whatever, starter, engine, carburetor. I think we have to take the hood off of this puppy because the hinges are not great, and we'll start with that, and then we'll start with seeing if it'll start, and then when it doesn't start, I won't put this video on. Well, most of the bits are still there. I'm going to get a gas can and a battery and just hook up the old will it start rig and see what happens. Okay, let's see if we have fuel. Fuel. You stupid fucker. Okay, let's try it again with the hoses configured correctly so that it's not trying to suck gas out of the carburetor. Oh, sounds like it's pumping. I don't know if that was any good. Give her a fair amount of gas here. Hit the pump again. Okay. No idea. Is it in park? Probably good to check. Good thing we looked. Oh shit. Wow. Woo. No. She likes fuel. Okay. I hope we can hear how cool this thing sounds. Woohoo, likes the fuel. Likes fuel. Well, we're not going to get to go for a drive because the lower rad hose has been cut, and I think that might have been me. Because I don't put coolant in these cars because they can leak, and then that is bad for animals. I just run water in these yard cars, so every fall I have to drain them all, and this one, I don't know, the hose must have been stuck, so I cut it to save the engine. No regrets, but it just means that it's leaking too quickly to go, you know, more than a few feet. But should we go a few feet? Yes, I think we should. I'm just going to pull it out because I need to level out the ground behind it. You want it? Okay. Oh, happy Frankers. Thank you. So I thought it was appropriate that we'd have some of the Team Packard guys here for the Packard fire up. Let's check it out.
When
My
is
plan
the last
is
time this thing ran?
When it backed in there. It may have even been pushed in there. I don't think it ran since the fall after we did the Showdown. So, yeah, I remember starting it once or twice after just to move it, but once we put it here, it hasn't moved since.
So that's 2 years?
3?
3?
Yeah. I just want to pull it out so that we can clean up, fill in the holes where the tires sit.
Yeah, that's all. It's fun to get them going too.
Yeah, it is. Ashley's gonna be here to put out the fire.
Okay. I got the water right here.
Get up, get up, get up. Get in your car. Boy, you're a mess today. Oh. As I recall, this thing's almost completely useless unless it's in low.
Okay. Wow, does that ever run nice, hey?
It pulled itself out, buddy. It was deep in a hole there, too. That's
it was,
cool.
yeah.
Yeah, it still runs great. What an old girl, eh?
Oh, that's fun,
Such a pail. Yeah, so if anybody's wondering why we don't restore this car,
I forgot how many hours we have in this thing.
Oh, we put so many hours
It's
into just this car. Absolute garbage car.
Oh,
It stores my hubcaps pretty good. Keeps the hubcap collection dry.
Sounds badass.
Sounds badass for sure.
Boy, just fires right up.
Oh yeah.
It's like nothing.
The sick part is we have another one of these if we want to do it again. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.